Hey, it's Rich Baldwin. Today we're going to find out whether you should live in a 55+ community or not. Here are the reasons you shouldn't live in a 55+ community. Reason number one, limited resell potential. While these communities offer significant benefits for active adult lifestyle, they also limit your potential buyer pool. Many people might buy in your neighborhood were it not age restricted. Reason number two, lack of diversity. Living among people who are exclusively your age, you're not introduced to new ideas and thoughts and different experiences that you might experience should you live in a community where there's people who are younger. Reason number three, many 55+ communities have strict regulations on when your family members or friends might be able to visit and stay in your community. Reason number four, feeling isolated from the community. While being in a community full of people, many people feel because of the cliques in the community that they're isolated from the groups that they wanted to participate in originally and have felt that maybe it wasn't right for them. Reason number five, limited activities for younger residents. If you have grandchildren, you might find that there's a lack of options for things to do within the community itself. You might have to go outside the community to find fun things to do with them. These are the reasons why you should buy in a 55+ community. Reason number one, tailored amenities for older adults, things like golf courses, pickleball courts, clubs, classes, all kinds of things that 55+ people like to do. Reason number two, sense of community and belonging. Living among peers that share similar experiences can foster a deep sense of belonging. For example, let's say that you're really into woodworking or maybe working in your car. When you go to a 55+ community and you go to a class or a club and you participate in those experiences with somebody else, you start to form those relationships with people. Maybe you want to go out to dinner with them. Maybe they're friends with you and your spouse. Reason number three, a quiet and peaceful environment. For example, when you back up out of a 55+ community, you generally don't have to worry about running over your neighbor's kids. So if you value not having children in your community knocking on your door, running down your street, skateboarding, riding their bikes, 55+ community is really for you. Reason number four, access to healthcare services. Many 55+ style communities offer access to nearby medical facilities, catering specifically to retirees. Reason number five, maintenance-free living. Look, let's face it, nobody likes mowing their grass, but the great thing about 55+ style communities, they'll usually have somebody who comes in and mows the grass, or they'll desertscape these communities so that they're easily maintained even on your own. So there you have it, the pros and cons of buying in a 55+ style community. Again, my name is Rich Baldwin. I'm a realtor here in St. George, Utah. If you're ready to make a transition into St. George, give me a call. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing to find out what it's like to live in colorful St. George, Utah. We'll see you in the next video.